may have a very good diet to follow in your fitness journey, but here is the thing. If you are struggling with your digestive issues just like acidity and gas, then you might face a roadblock on your fitness journey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to uncover all the natural and effective strategies by following which you can get rid of the acidity and gas completely from your digestive system. This is not only going to give you relief but also going to create a healthier and harmonious environment in your digestive system. So let's dive in and discover how to mitigate you all those uncomfortable barriers in your fitness journey.
Mindful digestion. In today's fast-paced world, our relentless pursuit of completion and efficiency often takes precedence, sometimes at the expense of our health. In the midst of multitasking, many of us find ourselves gobbling down meals while engaged in conversations or immersed in work tasks. This hurried approach leads to an inadequate chewing and the tendency to swallow food without proper breakdown. This resonates deeply with the advice passed down by our grandparents. Chew your food with your 32 teeth. This wisdom actually rings true for thorough chewing. Food particles are broken down into smaller components, facilitating more effective digestion within the stomach, which results to a decreased likelihood of acidity and acid reflux. But there is more to mindful digestion than just mechanical breakdown. Embracing mindfulness during your meals brings us into an intimate relationship with what nourishes us. By engaging our senses, acknowledging texture, flavor, and aromas, we elevate the act of eating into a sensory experience. Mindful while eating inherently regulates portion size, preventing overindulgence and fostering a strong connection between our nourishment and our state of mind. As we heed the wisdom of generations past and integrate mindfulness into our meals, we pave the way of enhanced digestion and better absorption of nutrients, and a more holistic approach to both eating and living. Avoiding immediate rest after meals. After indulging in a hearty meal, it is natural to experience drowsiness. However, it is important to resist that immediate urge to lie down. Here is why. The primary factor behind acid reflux is the tendency to lie down right after eating. Our bodies are most at ease when digesting food in an upright position, as this posture facilitates smoother digestion. When we settle down to rest right after consuming a meal, we unintentionally set the stage for a stomach contents to flow back into the esophagus, potentially triggering GERD symptoms and heartburn. When we recline after a meal, stomach acid has a higher likelihood of ascending, leading to discomfort. This frequent migration of stomach acid back into the esophagus can trigger irritation in its lining, causing the unpleasant sensation of acid reflux. By remaining in an upright position after eating, we help to ensure that the digestive process takes place more comfortably and without the unwelcome side effects of acid reflux. Research also says allowing a gap of at least 2 to 3 hours between your meals and bedtime is simple yet effective practice to prevent stomach related issues. The interval provides ample time to pass down the food to the intestine for further digestion. Avoiding coffee on an empty stomach. For many of us, coffee is an integral part of our daily ritual to boost our morning with energy and freshness. While this ritual has its perks, there is a vital consideration that can shape how your day unfolds. Coffee, as much as it's cherished, possesses the potential to stimulate acidity in your stomach, and consuming it on an empty stomach can amplify this risk. Coffee is naturally acidic in nature with a pH value between 4.85 to 5.13, and anything below 7 is considered to be as acidic in nature. Here is where the science comes in. Normally, when you consume food or beverages, the lower esophageal sphincter, a pivotal valve, grants passage from your esophagus to your stomach, subsequently shutting the seal. However, research reveals that coffee holds the ability to relax this very valve. This relaxation causes it not to seal completely, resulting in a rather undesirable consequence: stomach acid seeping into the esophagus, a condition commonly referred to as acid reflux. A tangible outcome of the acid reflux is a sensation that many of us are familiar with, that is heartburn. This discomfort often akin to a sharp chest pain, which is the hallmark of acid reflux. Drinking coffee before a meal can amplify this effect, delivering a potent surgeon to acidity that can disrupt the digestive harmony. Hence, a wise approach would be to pair a coffee consumption with an alkaline-rich food, either concurrently or shortly after. These alkaline superheroes, such as vibrant green salad, sprouts, avocado, fruits, nuts, root vegetables, and wholesome grains just like amarnath, millet, quinoa, help neutralize this acid impact of coffee and contribute to a more balanced digestive experience. Exercise and acid reflux. Engaging in workouts is a fantastic way to boost your health. But like any good thing, it is all about doing it in the right way. Here is a surprising scoop. Exercise can sometimes play a role in stirring up acidity if not approached correctly. You heard that right. Exercise can potentially lead to more acid in your stomach if not handled with care. Research tells us that instances of acid reflux can be linked to how intense and how long your workout sessions are. For athletes, factors like reduced blood flow to the stomach, shifts in how stomach and heart functions, and even the way your body is positioned during exercise can contribute to acid reflux, just like exercise with prone position. There is a tug of war happening between two areas with opposite pressures, one inside your belly and one in your chest. And when this balance is disturbed, it can trigger acid reflux events. The culprits behind this disruption are activities that jolt your body, like running, sprinting, weightlifting, gymnastics, cycling, jumping rope, and stair climbing, have the potential to cause heartburn. Here is another angle to consider, that is, eating before a workout can also play a role in exercise-induced acid reflux. Foods like tomatoes, citrus, chocolate, coffee, fried and fatty treats, alcohol, and Fiji sodas can make the situation worse. So if you know you are gearing up for a workout, it is a good idea to stay away from those trouble-causing food for around 2 to 3 hours beforehand. In a nutshell, while exercise is a marvelous way to take care for your body, it is crucial to be mindful of how you are doing it. If you are regularly facing stomach issues, then I highly recommend to check out my video on natural ways to improve digestion. I have mentioned the link on the top right corner of the video and also on the description box. Avoid overeating. We all love a good meal, but there is a scoop on why going overboard can lead to discomfort. When you eat too much, your stomach stretches beyond its usual size, leaving you with that overloaded feeling. It is like putting away too much in your backpack. Things start to feel packed and tight. When there is a lot of food in your stomach, it stays expanded, and here is the catch. When you stretched out like this, something called LES, lower esophageal sphincter, can have a hard time doing its job properly. The LES is just like a gatekeeper between your stomach and your esophagus. It is meant to stay shut, keeping your food and stomach stuffed where they belong. But when your stomach is all stretched out, the LES might not close properly as it should. And when that happens, your stomach contents, including some super acidic stuffs, comes up. This acidic stuff doesn't play nice. It is the main ingredient in heartburn, that uncomfortable burning feel. So to keep your tummy and esophagus happy, it is smart to go for smaller portion instead of piling food up to your neck. Think of it like packing your backpack just right, not too much, not too little. If you are facing issues of overeating, then check out my video on 5 powerful tips to overcome binge eating. I have mentioned the link on the top right corner of the video as well as on the description box of the video. Stress and its role in acidity. Stress is like an unwelcome guest that can sneak up on your stomach health. It turns out feeling stressed can actually crank up the acidity in your stomach, leading to discomfort and heartburn. It is like a chain reaction. When you are stressed, your body releases certain chemicals that can mess with your digestive system, making it produce more stomach acid than usual. Now, here is the cool part. Sleep can be a superhero in this situation. When you get enough sleep, it is like giving your body a reset button for stress. Quality sleep helps your body balance those stress chemicals, keeping your digestion on track and your stomach acid in check. If you are struggling to sleep, check out my video on how to fall asleep in 2 minutes. I have mentioned the link on the top right corner of the video as well as on the description of the video. But there is more than one way to kick stress to the curb. You can try relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even gentle yoga to melt away that stress. Engaging in regular physical activity is another excellent stress buster. Remember, it's not about the intensity but about moving your body in a way that feels good. And don't forget the power of laughter. Spending time with your loved ones, watching a fun movie, or enjoying a good laugh can work wonders on your stress levels. Embracing holistic solutions. In the realm of holistic approaches, Ayurveda offers valuable companions to the natural strategies which helps to elevate acidity and gas. Triphala, a time-honored Ayurvedic blend of three fruits, Amki, Bhivatiki, Haritaki. It is a digestive dynamo known to regulate bowel movements, ease gas, and nurture overall digestive well-being. Fennel seed. Post-meal fennel seed chewing is an Ayurvedic tradition soothing with the tummy with its carbonated magic and promoting smoother digestion. Coriander and cumin tea. Coriander and cumin seeds extend its helping hand to digestion and acidity regulation. Just boil a teaspoon each, strain it, and sip it after meals.
Ginger.
Amps up the digestion. So, just grate it, consume before meals for its soothing impact on acidity and gas. Mint leaves. Mint offers a relief to a distressed stomach. Chew fresh mint leaves or steep mint tea to bid adieu to acidity and gas. Pitta pacifying diet. Ayurveda sways towards balanced, advising cooling foods just like greens, cucumber, coconut, and sweet fruit for those dealing with pitta related acidity. Avoid heat triggering foods just like non-veg, spicy, and processed food. Abhyanga oil massage. Anoint your abdomen with warm sesame oil in a practice known as Abhyanga. This nurturing massage kindles digestion and provides a gas relief and Ayurvedic hub for your tummy. Pranayam and Yoga Asana. Poses just like wind relieving pose, Pavana Muktasana and Nadi Sodhana, alternate nostril breathing, works magic on reducing acidity and gas. For tailored advice, especially concerning dosas, imbalance, and your overall health, consult a Ayurvedic practitioner is always recommended. Remember, these methods are your allies, working together with your body's naturalist process to bring relief and wellness. However, if you find that despite of all your efforts, acidity continues to trouble you, it is time to consider a deeper investigation. In such cases, seeking a guidance from a gastroenterologist is a prudent step, ensuring comprehensive diagnosis and appropriate treatment. The allure of antacids or PPI, proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole, might seem tempting as a quick fix, but it is important to tread carefully. Frequent use of such medications can carry potential health risks, emphasizing the importance of understanding the root cause of your acidity before seeking any relief. In your journey towards a balanced digestive system, patience and a holistic perspective are your allies. The art of nourishing your body is not one size that fits all formula. It is ongoing exploration that merges science, nature, and your unique need. By combining these natural strategies with informed choices and professional guidance, you are going to set a stage for not just relief but true well-being, a state in which your body finds its natural rhythm and radiates vitality.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your family and friends who can get benefit out of this. Additionally, do subscribe to my channel for more such useful fitness tips and fitness contents. If you are looking for a personalized coaching on your fitness journey, feel free to DM me on my Instagram ID, or else you can also drop me a mail on my email ID given on the screen. I'll be there to guide you in every step of your fitness journey. If you have any questions or additional tips to share it with me, then feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll get back to you soon. Stay healthy and take care. See you on the next video.